2019 slimes. These are some new slimes I found at the store with clear slime, clear, thick slime. And that is it, let's straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, so here are the slimes that I found that are like 2019, and I think one of them is like from the really end of 2018. I think it might be this one. But yeah, these are basically very new. So we're gonna go ahead and look at them and then put it inside my clear slime. So yeah. Alright, first we're gonna do is this magical slime mush. We have a lot of these ones. They seem really interesting. They were like $1, I think, in the clearance section for some reason. But anyways, this is slippery soap or something. I don't know. It says scented though, and it's clear and glittery, so it looks pretty nice. I'm very, very excited. It took me all I have to not open one of these packets and to play with the slime. So yeah. Alright guys, I finally got it open because I cut it open. Anyways, here's all the slime. Let's touch it. I'm so excited. Oh, that's interesting. Oh my gosh, I can already smell it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. What the heck? These are really, really nice. A lot nicer than some of these slimes that are, you know, at the slime spot. So this is really nice. I'm really enjoying this. The little charms are adorable, and the color is amazing. The glitter is beautiful, and the smell is wonderful. I am excited to see the other ones, but now we're gonna go ahead and mix this with some clear slime. All right, so we have some clear slime, and now we're gonna add the other clear slime, and let's do this. Is it sticky? I wonder how it's gonna mix with this. All right, let's do it. All right, let's mix it all together. Alright, well that did not mix well at all. I wish I would not have mixed that, but anyways. Although I think these charms stick in the slime very nice. But anyways, here's how it turned out. It kind of didn't really mix too well. But yeah, I'm going to need to get more of these. I love them. We got to do some slime makeovers. We got to put shading cream in. I don't know. I really like these. Alright, next one is this one. It's Alien Slime Sludge. Okay, you could have just stopped at slime, but they had to go with another word. It's this one scented. It's glow in the dark and it's scented. So let's open it. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. That's interesting. All right, here it is. It's a very dark color, although I like it. It's very nice. It's like blackish, but then you like stretch it. It's kind of like blue turquoise. Smells fantastic. I have no idea what the... Ooh, this is interesting. This is so weird. Okay, I am loving this. This is super squishy, really nice. I really like this one. It's kind of sticky, which I like. Alright, well that is it for this one. This is basically like the other one. It's just darker and has no glitter. And yeah, let's go ahead and mix it in some slime. Alrighty, this one's basically the same as the other one, but maybe it's different. Maybe the dye will make it like softer. I don't know, but let's see. Oh, is it mixing better? It kind of feels like it's mixing better. I don't know, maybe. It kind of like over activates. Yeah, this one did not mix well either. Yeah, but I did save the brain because I wanted to mix that with some slime. It's a great charm. Honestly, that sticks in so well. It looks beautiful. I love it. I'm keeping it like this. All right, next to this is Flarp, Mega Flarp, but except this one is mega. It's 1 pound, guys. So like this is the OG slime they had back then, except it was a lot smaller and it's like not as stretchy, but it does have a really nice texture. So here's the normal size of the Flarp, and this is this one. And yeah, so it's a lot bigger. I'm very excited, and let's do this. Okay, I haven't touched Flarp in a while. Basically, Flarp is a noise putty where you like push your fingers in there and it just makes farting noises, so yeah. Not bad. I think these are scented. It smells good, but I don't know if it's scented. But it is super duper hard. I don't remember them being this hard. I feel like they just kind of got harder, but I don't know. See, this is Flarp, guys. I don't know why, but their giant version is a lot harder and like that. Versus the other one, the older one, is a lot softer. I think this one is still kind of hard, but like before, they were very nice. They're supposed to be soft because there, you make farting noises and he has to be able to move, but this one that one's way too hard. So, all right, guys. So let's go ahead and start mixing this with some slime. We have our slime here, and I got a piece of the other one because that is just way too big and it's way too hard. So yeah. Alright, I don't think this is gonna mix very well, but it might. There might be a miracle, so yeah. It kind of seems like it's mixing well, but it's kind of like hard. Okay, well it's mixing, but it's getting really rippy, so I don't think this was a success. Well, that is it for that one. Let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, next one I do is this unicorn poo putty. This one is putty, and I thought it was metallic at first, but then I realized it's just like a mix of like white and clear in there, and it looks like pigment. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and just cut this open. I am very, very excited to see this one because it is a putty. It seems very nice. Looks like a very nice texture. Ooh, it comes with a container too. It's how to use your toot tube. Oh. Okay, I guess that's supposed to make farting noises and stuff. So let's take this out of the bag. This is pretty nice. I actually really like this. The texture of it is like thick and kind of like homemade slime. Let's go ahead and try and use this toot tube. Ooh, I like it. It's nice. I'm gonna put some metallic slime in this after. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. I like this toot tube, guys. It's pretty nice, like better than all the other ones I've had. Okay. All right, guys, we have our clear slime, and now we're gonna go ahead and put our Flarpy tooty stuff. I'm gonna keep a piece so that I can keep making toot noises. Okay, let's mix it. I feel like this one will mix a little bit better than the other ones. I really hope it does. Yeah, this is definitely mixing a lot better. It's like softer too. This one's actually pretty nice. This one got a bit harder, but with some hair gel, I can really fix that. But this is actually very nice. It's got some very big potential. Okay, guys, next we're gonna do is this Nickelodeon slime. This one, guys, this one really blew my mind because it is the cotton candy, crazy cotton candy, and it has 2 different colors in it, guys. It's a freaking slime smoothie. I was so happy when I saw this, and it has a different scent. It's like they listen to me. I'm just kidding. But it's really nice. I really like this one. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I've only smelt and poked this a few times. I haven't really like taken it out of the container. But this is amazing, guys. Do you see this? This is store-bought, and it looks like a homemade slime shop slime. And let's mix it. I think this is gonna do well because it's a lot softer. All right, not bad. I'm gonna put some blush, you guys, because I want to see how it would feel putting a lot. It needs a lot. Oh no. All right, guys, so here is the slime. I added some lotion into it, and it turned very, very nice. I am loving this. It turned into a really nice glossy texture, and the color is very pretty too. It's like very pastel blue purple type deal. And I love the little beads. They're so adorable. They're almost like foam beads, but not completely. They kind of look like candy, and I really like them. So yeah, let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, so this next one is another one of these packages. It is Princess Slime Slop. And it says with rainbow sprinkles, so that is interesting. I didn't see any of those. But it is like a pigmented slime, and it looks really, really nice. I'm super excited, and I think, is it scented? Yes, it's scented. Okay, let's do this. I'm excited about that one. I love pigmented slimes, guys. Okay, well, I don't see any sprinkles. Oh, wow. That's the sprinkles. There's legit like 5 in there. There's literally 5 sprinkles. Are they like hiding in here? Is there like a giant stack in this thing that I missed? Okay, well I think there's 3 more there, but there's still not a lot. Alright, so here is the sprinkles. There's still not that much, but there's more than before. But this is beautiful. I love the texture again and the color. It's beautiful, and I love the pigment, and it is like so nice. I love the texture. It's like so jiggly and like soft. It's weirdly soft, and I really like it. I just wanted to show you guys really quick how cool this looks. This is the tube from the other one, the unicorn one, I think, and it looks so much prettier. I love when there's like little tubes of pigment slime. They're so pretty. Anyways, here it is. Look at how beautiful and satisfying that is. Yes. Okay. All right, and let's mix it in. Oh, it's very cringy. Alright, well here's how it turned out. It is very pretty still. It's just not very stretchy. So I'm going to put a bunch of hair gel and hopefully that fixes it. Like it is starting to kind of soften up, so I am happy because it looks very pretty still. Okay, so it got a lot softer. I'm still needing it though, but it got a lot softer and a lot better. And it's very nice. And that's it. Thank you so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.